Hello students, so this is question number 2 from exercise 1.1 from book NCERT for class 11 mathematics. ठीक है? So what is the question? Let A be a set. It contains 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Insert the appropriate symbol this or this in the blank space. जो भी blank space है तो यहाँ पर fill करना. Okay, so firstly let's identify this symbol represents belongs to. Good. So this symbol represents belongs to. Then what this is representing? Doesn't belongs to. So these are nothing but a symbolic alternative to these English words or you can say statements. Clear? Like you may equals to equal and likewise. So now what does means? If something is a part of set, it belongs to a set. If something is not the part of set, it doesn't belong to a set. Let's say if we talk about alien, are they belong to earth? Not at all. That's why they are alien. Because earth no belong nahi karte. But human, they belongs to the earth because they are the part of earth. Same as it. Now, I'm saying 5. Belong karta ke nahi karta? Check it out. Is this the part of set? Yes, it is. So it means if 5 is a part of set A, so 5 belongs to A. Similarly, how about 8? Is this part of set? Not at all. Because set which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will say 8 doesn't belongs to A. Clear or not? How about 0? Good. 0 is again not the part of A. So 0 doesn't belongs to A. Next. 4. Yep. 4 is the part of A. Here it is. That means 4 belongs to A. 2, it does belong because that is a part of A. And about 10, again it is out of the range. It is not in the set, so it does not belongs to A. So was quite easy sum. Hopefully समझ आ गया होगा. Okay. So keep learning. Stay tuned. Thank you.